You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know many people mispronounce it, or at least get confused by it. If you want to learn more names that are confusing, animal names, reptiles, stay tuned. This is a type of crocodile. The Hindi pronunciation, it comes from Hindi, Gharial, Gharial. Therefore, some may pronounce it as Gharial, but the accepted pronunciation that is referenced in most dictionaries is as Gharial or Gharial, generally Gharial. How to pronounce in English? Gharial, from Hindi, Gharial. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.